Did you know the world's oldest living tree is over 4,800 years old? Meet Methuselah, a bristlecone pine tree located in California's White Mountains. This incredible tree sprouted around 2830 BCE, long before the Great Pyramids were built. It's named after the biblical Methuselah, who was said to live for 969 years. What's fascinating is its secret to longevity: slow growth in harsh conditions. Its twisted branches tell a story of resilience and survival. Next time you think about nature, remember Methuselah, the timeless wonder of our planet. Isn't nature amazing?